Hello guys, this is the Mavic Air 2. This is the brand new drone, just released like a month ago. I already opened it 3 days ago, so Mavic Air 2. This is how it looks. Let's take that off. I have a very limited space here. Underneath that box you see the literature or manual. Let's put them right here. This is the remote control. And this is the accessory box. It's come with one battery, but if you have the money, go for the fly mode combo. I think it's a better deal. It's come with charger, 6 propeller, which I already opened it. As you can see, they come with something like that. This is brand new. I haven't opened it. It's come with 3 connecting cable, 1 micro USB, 1 lightning, and USB-C. I already put the USB-C right over here because I'm using the One Plus. This is the charging brick, and the battery is on the top. As you can see, that's all pretty much. And there is a 2 extra spoke. If you lost them, there is a 2 right here, as you can see. I think this is very easy to lose, so they give you extra. This is very nice of DJI. Putting the propeller in proper way is very important. When you put the propeller, make sure the right propeller goes to the right one. There's a 2 different type of propeller. As you can see, there is a 2 different type of propeller. One come with the silver ring, is these 2. Other is black. So black one goes to the black one. No marking on this, but the silver propeller one has a 2 silver marking on 2 sides. Make sure silver one goes to the silver one. This propeller fit on the other one too, so make sure you put the right propeller onto the right one. This drone, DJI didn't allow that to happen, but this drone you could put the wrong propeller on the wrong side. The last one. That's it pretty much. Press once to see the battery level. As you can see, it's completely full. Press once, then press 5 seconds to turn it on. Before you turn it on, make sure the gimbal cover is off, otherwise it will scratch the lens. That's all pretty much, and I'm recording on my OnePlus device, so I'm not putting the cell phone yet because I'm recording with that. This is how it looks like. This is probably the experience you will get when you order this drone. I think this is probably the best drone DJI release this year. Please watch the rest of the video to see the picture quality on this drone, and don't forget to like and subscribe.